Hello, and welcome to English Hub. This channel is designed to help you improve your English through powerful stories, real history, and inspiring people. Here, you will listen to interesting texts, learn new vocabulary, and test your understanding with questions. This method will help you improve your reading, listening, and grammar step by step. Today, we are going to learn about a very famous and important man in history. His life was full of challenges, ambition, success, and failure. As you listen, try to understand the main ideas and important details. After the story, you will answer questions to test your comprehension and improve your English skills. Napoleon Bonaparte was born in 1769 on the small island of Corsica. His family was not rich, and life was not easy. From a young age, Napoleon wanted to be important. He loved reading history and learning about soldiers and battles. He dreamed of changing the world. As a young man, Napoleon studied at a military school in France. He worked very hard, often staying up late to study. His teachers noticed his intelligence and determination. When he graduated, he became an officer in the French army. At first, his career was not easy. He faced many challenges, and some people doubted him. During the French Revolution, France was in chaos. Napoleon saw an opportunity. He became a brilliant military leader, winning important battles. His victories made him famous. People admired his courage, planning, and skill. Soon, Napoleon gained more power, and in 1804, he crowned himself Emperor of France. As emperor, Napoleon wanted to build a strong and organized Europe. He created laws called the Napoleonic Code, which are still important today. He improved schools, roads, and government systems. His rule changed France and influenced many countries in Europe. However, Napoleon's ambition had limits. He tried to conquer many countries, but not all battles were successful. In 1812, his invasion of Russia failed badly. Many soldiers died because of cold and hunger. Soon after, Napoleon lost power and was sent to an island called Elba. But he returned to France, and for 100 days, he tried to rule again. Finally, he was defeated at the famous Battle of Waterloo in 1815. He spent the rest of his life on the island of St. Helena, far from France, and died in 1821. Napoleon's life teaches us many lessons. Determination can change your life, but too much ambition can be dangerous. Even small beginnings can lead to great achievements. After reading the text, you are now ready to answer the following questions and test your understanding. The full text is available in the description for easy navigation and reference.